Hi, today I'll be telling you how I restored a blowtorch. This is what it really looked like at the started. I didn't get a before picture, unfortunately, but yeah, you can see it's all covered in just like wear and grime, and here's one of the intricate bits that I had to replace the little spring in. So this is after the vinegar and, or vinegar bath and scrub it shined up pretty nice. Things changed colour. This is after I put Brasso, which is a metal polish on it, and it's a bit like dull. And here's after it's been shined. It looks much better than what it did. Yeah. Here's the replaced spring and the clean bits of that tube. Here's it back together before it went back into the blowtorch. So here's it back in the blowtorch. It screws in on the top. It's where the plunger goes in. So you can, because it's a kerosene torch, you can plunge the kerosene up through the nozzle. This is the making of the plunge. Unfortunately, it was broken, so the blowtorch won't function anymore, but it still looks pretty. So the cap goes on there, and then it slides into that tube and screws on. So there you have a plunger. Unfortunately, it was missing its metal ring, so it won't work. Here's with the other cap and the little screw thing in the side. Still not sure what that does, unfortunately. But yeah, it's starting to come back together. This is the handles that I've painted with a rust kill paint as a first coat, and then I moved on to just a black enamel, so it's nice and shiny back, looking like it used to. Here's them after they've been painted in my workshop, and then that slips over the top of that one with the little cone piece that holds the flame in, so it doesn't just go everywhere. That's it back onto the blowtorch with the first little nut in it. This one's with the handle attached to the blowtorch, but not both pieces of metal are attached. And here's them attached with the screw that I had to travel to find. And this is the final product. It looks, well, I think it looks much better than what it did when it started, but you can be the judge of that. Thanks for watching. Yeah.